So we're at the Lam Salt Pier. We flew into Trot. The big race went really, really fast. Come over here to catch this fast ferry. So we're kind of at the mercy of our driver. He's kind of been running the show here, getting us to where we needed to go. But it looks like we made it. We're gonna be on this boat here. I think it takes about an hour and a half to get to Koh Kood Island. Gonna have a nice change of pace. So we have never stayed at this place before. This is called the Beach Natural Koh Kood. We just got shown to our room, and before we mess it up, I want to show you guys what it looks like. It's very, very nice. So we have, this is a garden bungalow, and we have AC in here, and also we have Wi-Fi in here. But it's a very nice room. Nice big bed, ceiling fan, AC. I haven't even looked in here yet in the bathroom. Very clean, spacious, big shower. All right, and then we are just steps away from the beach. So you guys will see the beach. We have some kayaks free to use, probably do a snorkeling trip, do some jungle stuff at some point. But we're just getting settled in here, and it is very nice. So far, I really enjoy what I see. And we have a TV, but of course there's no television signal or cable, so there's DVDs to not rent, but to borrow from the lobby. So I think we're in for a nice, relaxing time, and the weather is nice because when we flew out of Bangkok, it was raining, and now here the sun is shining, and it's so nice. It's actually not even that hot. It's not unbearable. It's the cooler time of the year. And I think we're in for a good time. What do you think, Apple?
Yes.
All right, she's getting the Wi-Fi hooked up.
You don't need to say that.
So, all right, and we're still connected, so we'll continue to reply. I don't know if I can upload videos from here. We'll see how strong the Wi-Fi signal is. So that's it so far, you guys. We'll show you more later. So we're here at the resort. It was very nice this morning. We didn't have to wake up early for a flight for a change. And we rented a motorbike last night in the dark. We were looking for some food and wanted to look for a mini mart, get some water and stuff for the room. This morning we had a nice breakfast, which is included, and we laid out by the beach, swam in the ocean. It's nice, very, very nice and relaxing. So we had the choice whether or not we wanted to eat here again for lunch or go jump on that motorbike and find somewhere else to eat. So the adventurous side of us is going to opt for the latter. We are gonna jump back on this bike and see what we can find to eat and take a little bit of the island in. It's a beautiful place.
Ready?
All right, here we go. right, you guys, so we found a little restaurant pretty much at the foot of the entry road to our resort. Now we realize that the restaurant at the resort is going to charge higher prices. We know this, but these prices are roughly about 1/3 of what the hotel resort is charging. So we ordered a bunch of food. We ordered some pork, some fried rice, some kind of seafood soup, some squid. I got a couple extra fried eggs for protein, and we have a delicious banana shake. Apple got a mango shake. Cheers. Oh man, that's really good. All right, and we're hungry, so we're gonna eat. There's some good stuff going down over here in Koh Kood. So I'll tell you what, guys, even though there's a lot of people here, it is a really outstanding waterfall. It's nice and high, cascading real nice. I'm sure the water's going to be cold, but I am jumping in. That's superb. Well, you guys, I don't know how this is even possible, but all the tourists are gone. We have this place to ourselves for the time being. It is really nice. The water isn't even really that cold. And yes, the fish are nibbling on my toes right now as we speak, but very, very beautiful waterfall. Okay, you guys, we've gotten a lot of food requests, so on the vlog today we are going to show you guys what we're doing for dinner. We have a pretty nice one this evening. We have yellow curry squid. We have fried rice with crab. And we ordered Thai lobster, but it appears that it's actually mantis shrimp. And 2 banana shakes like earlier.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. All right, you guys, we're eating good. We deserve it. And that's it for now. I gotta eat. All right, you guys, today we are going to a local hiking trail. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Koh Kood. And there's some sort of monument at the end of the trail. I believe it's some sort of like stone, like natural stone, but it resembles the bow of like a warship or something. But it is supposed to be a nice trek through the jungle, and you guys know what I'm looking for. So jump on the motorbike, and I don't think it's too far, and let's do it.
Watch for coconut.
Yeah,
Drop. Coconut drop.
that's why you're wearing a helmet.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so we're here. This is the parking area, and if you notice, to my surprise, there are no motorbikes here. That means we are all alone I believe, unless there's some pedestrian walkers, but that's kind of doubtful. So hopefully we have this place to ourselves. This might be interesting, and if it looks good, we might come back and do this at night, depending on how this looks jungle-wise. So we will make that determination when we get to the end. So once you're past the monument on this trail, if you keep going, it's not real clearly marked, but once you find it, there is a clearly marked trail, and it looks good. It looks pretty nice. I don't know how far this goes, but I think it's going to be a good spot to come at night. Only problem is every night has been raining. So if we don't have rain, then we should be okay. So we'll see. We'll keep this on the agenda for something that we could possibly do one of these nights. Okay, you guys, new restaurant. This is Chiang Mai restaurant. We're still in Koh Kood. We did that long jungle walk. Didn't see anything too exciting. It was very hot and very sweaty. And now, of course, Apple ordered food with little chili or no chili, and it's pretty damn spicy, so I'm gonna be sweating again. But we have papaya salad, and what's the name of that one?
Lam mu.
So I believe that's pork and watermelon and pineapple shakes with no sugar added because it doesn't need it because the fruit is already sweet. And that is... Okay, you guys, this is our last full day on Koh Kood. Hope you guys enjoyed watching some of that stuff. Just basically taking it easy, having some time for relaxation. It's so nice out here and so peaceful. Like I've said before, we were just really hustling hard on this trip, trying to get done so many different things, and we accomplished it. So we're actually pretty happy with what we have accomplished at this point. And so tomorrow we're flying onward to Bangkok, and we'll probably do some shopping and some normal stuff. We want to buy a little bit of jade that we usually bring out to the expos, so we'll be doing a little bit of that. I'm not sure if we're going to film or not. We probably will. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed following along with us in this trip. Very busy trip, moving fast through everything. One of these days we will take a normal vacation where we actually get time to slow down and enjoy ourselves a little bit more. But that's about it for Koh Kood. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe for updates. We should have some unboxing videos coming up soon from home. A little bit of breeding developments going on also. And that's about it. Take care, you guys. Hope you have a wonderful holiday season. See ya.